Liver is one of the most important organs of our body. This organ plays an important role in metabolic activities of the body, as well as it is the main detoxifier of the body. It cleanses the systems, not only environmental toxins, but metabolic wastes too. Here are a few herbs in Siddha medicine which helps us to protect the liver and keep away liver ailments. Take a look on these wonderful liver tonics. Phyllanthus amaris, also known as Kira nelli or Bhumi amalaki. The important constituents of this plant are bioflavonoids, alkaloids, lignans like hypophyllanthine and phyllanthine. These compounds help to maintain liver health and also treats various liver disorders. For treating hepatitis A, B and C, this plant is a known Siddha medicine. Eclipta prostata, other names Karisale or Bhringraj. It is an excellent hepatotonic. This plant helps to treat hepatomegaly or swelling of liver. It also normalizes the digestive fire. It improves the overall health of liver and spleen. Vedalolactone is a constituent present in Eclipta prostrata which helps in treatment of hepatitis and cirrhosis of liver. According to a study, the leaves of this plant has high efficacy to treat hepatotoxic response due to overdose of drugs like paracetamol. Curcuma longa, other names turmeric or manyal. It is a well-known herb for promoting liver health. Turmeric detoxifies liver by removing excess toxins. It helps to manage liver damage due to alcohol or any other cause. It also improves digestion. Curcumin present in turmeric blocks the COX2 enzymes that the inflammatory drugs target. Hence, it protects the liver. Phyllanthus emblica, other names amla, nellikai or Indian gooseberry. It is the best source of vitamin C and enriched with antioxidants that clears toxins from the liver. It helps to treat liver cirrhosis, hepatitis, also helps in rehabilitation of alcoholics with severe liver damage. Andrographis paniculata, other names are Nilavimbu or Kiriyathu. This herb is known as king of bitters due to its extremely bitter taste, but it provides the sweetest health benefits. Clinical study shows the compound andrographolide in this plant possesses hepatoprotective effect. It also treats liver diseases, jaundice, hepatitis, etc. Glycyrrhiza glabra, Indian licorice and Adimaduram are other names. The flavonoids present in licorice is a strong antioxidant and anti-hepatotoxic. A study from Texas Creighton University shows licorice consumption improved liver health in alcoholic damage of liver. It also helps to treat hepatitis B and C. A healthy liver is a foundation of health, and a failing liver is no doubt life-threatening. Hope this video was useful. Take care, stay healthy. Herbs should always be taken in right dose and right mode of administration to get best results. Avoid overdose. Consult a Siddha doctor before consuming it. Thank you for watching.